basement, you have to do like,
Hey, really?
yeah, like clean it out to make it. Perfect. Hey.
Colin, do you open the door?
It's okay.
Do you?